Hello, my trip to Medellin. One Friday, February 5, I went on a trip from Santa Marta to Medellin by plane. In Medellin, I saw many tourist spots. I went by taxi to Peñol de Guatapé. In a restaurant, I ate the bandeja paisa. I went to the mall on the subway. I bought clothes and shoes. Then I went to the hotel on the cable subway to rest. The next day I had arepa for breakfast with coffee. Then I then in a taxi I went to visit the little town of Paisa, which is a very touristic place in Medellin, where the people are very nice and the weather is a little colder. I took a lot of photos and bought a lot of books. Then I went by taxi to the park RV, which is a very beautiful natural reservoir. The climate in this place is very cold. I bought key rings, hat, and few small details to have memory of Medellin. Then I returned to the hotel and the next day I traveled to Santa Marta by plane. Thank you.